Ke Sorkar Jylla lyngba ke Tnad Pule Puthi ke Sorkar Jylla kadang wat ikilat ki lynti ban Weng ki Jingeh ki babun ki iadei be ki Nonghikai kumjuh ki Jingeh ki iadei be ki Nonghikai SSA ha ke Jylla. Ya ke nilai iathuh du Myntri ke Tnad Pule Puthi Rakkam A Sangma haba kren bat kilat pathai Khubor ha ke bau pynpaw bakala ban shimpor. La katta na ke liang ke Sorkar kanam shong klikti ula.
I just reached from Garvis just now, and I don't know the outcome. Let me sit with my officers. But look, the process takes time always, because no any process become materialize at one time. No, it is not. The process has to be followed. Definitely, it takes time, right? It takes time, but the government is doing all possible means and ways to find a solution for all kind of category of teachers, because there are people they are serving our state only, right? So the state should progress only with the collective efforts, collective contribution of the teachers, the parents, the governance, of all the stakeholders. So together, yes, I think sometimes it is not the state can become unique with contribution of some particular community. No, it's not. So altogether, with the teacher, with the governments, with any stakeholder, should be united in contributing best what they have. This is what the government is also doing it. No, these things are policy matter. It is not, but we have the door are opened, because we have given the upper age level up to 45 years if they're qualified. It doesn't mean all the SSC teacher will be absorbed on this policy, but this is one of the step. So like all this are open, because look, there are new entrants also, right? So but we have the door is bigger open for each one of them. So let's